Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your driver issues. You can download and install Windows drivers as well as fix those missing driver errors which Windows Update cannot fix it for you, and fix everything that is wrong with the drivers. This is a must-have tool. This is the Snappy driver installer origin. I will provide this link in the description so you can download it for yourself, and it supports all Windows operating system at this point. Anyway, simply click on this link and download the Snappy driver installer origin portable version. Keep in mind that this tool is portable, which means you can simply download all the drivers and use it wherever you want to. Simply extract the files and open up the SDIO x64-bit version, because that is the one that I have my operating system on. I have a 64-bit operating system. Everyone does that. Accept the agreement, allow internet access, and right at this point you can see I have some missing drivers, and we get three options basically. First is to download the whole pack of drivers, which is a very huge download. We don't need that. You can check the second option, which is the internet drivers. I'm not sure you need that. And the third one is the one that is very important. This is for your own operating PC. This might differ from PC to PC or any laptops. So if you're using for your own self, I recommend the third option, and if you're a technician and want to update drivers on multiple different devices, I recommend the first option. Okay, here now what I basically do is wait for the indexes to download, and these are some missing drivers that I might need to install to get some proper functions working. Windows Update did not provide those drivers. Okay, once your index is done, this will give you all the list of the drivers that are available for my device, and you do not have to select all of them. Keep in mind that you do not have to select all of them. If you do not have any drivers, you might need to select all of them, but what we are going to do here is simply use the filter options. Turn on the expert mode like I did, and first uncheck all of the stuff you can see right here, and let me uncheck these as well. Okay, we have unchecked everything. Let me refresh it again, and we need to select some options which are not installed. These are the drivers that are not installed on my system or PC. And better match means the drivers that are very optimal for me. There are some different options that you can use. My recommended one are the better match. Select the better match option and select the not installed option. How are we going to do that? You can see right here. These are the worst drivers that you will need. Do not select these. These are some standard drivers that come with Windows install. These are the basic Microsoft drivers which keep your laptop or PC running, but they don't give you the optimal performance. Okay, three options that we needed. First one is the not installed option, which are the drivers that are not currently installed, and second one is the better match option, which are the optimal drivers that I might need for optimal performance. Select all the option on not installed and select better match, and select these particular sub menu drivers, because if you open it we get a lot of drivers which might install duplicate drivers. So simply select the one that is below the sub menu, maybe whatever you want to call it. I don't think I have the words for it. Simply select the below one, the one on little bit on the right side, and hit install. Everything will be done. This option will let you install the drivers that are not currently installed on your system, as well as the drivers that are very much optimal, which will give you the maximum performance of your PC or system or whatever laptop you are using. Anyway, if I keep my cursor on this bar, this will give me all the information that I need. So anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Please know that once you have installed it, make sure you reboot your system.